It's a Spotify podcast. Hey everyone, I hope you're enjoying the show. I'm on multiple platforms, so I'm on Spotify, Amazon Music, Apple, everything. We're everywhere. But the other thing is that if you do like the video, please subscribe and like it. It really would help us. We're in infancy stages, and thank you so much. I hope you enjoy the show.
You pushed me down, thought I'd stay on the ground, counting me.
Welcome to another episode of Loopwired Daily. My name's LeRoy Nellis, and I'll be your host today. And we're talking about something I've noticed in the markets. I used to be a day trader a while back, and I don't have shit in the markets now, so you can take this for what it's worth. But I noticed trends with different things, and there's a big trend going on right now between 1929 versus today. And basically, it's a little nerve-wracking, actually, if you think about it. Today, I want you to watch this 60-minute segment because, honestly, it feels like we may be watching history repeat itself right now in real time. I'm going to play part of this clip, and then we're going to break it down why people are comparing today's AI economy to the crash leading up to the 1929s. But before I play this clip, I don't want you just to watch this as history. I want you to watch the psychology of it, because that's where the hype is. And watch the speculation, watch how technology changes, but people don't. I mean, that's the main thing, right? That's the dangerous part. All right, so welcome back. Yeah, so as you could see, there was a massive market euphoria. Back in 1929, everybody believed the market could only go up, right? And today it feels like we're heading in the exact same thing with AI. Y'all know I talk a lot about AI. I'm following AI because it's going to disrupt our world so much, but I don't know how many people are actually concentrating on this part of it as well. I've hit subjects like taxes because the unemployment rate's going to go up. So taxes, they're going to have to figure something out with that. We've talked about universal income. But right now what we're doing is comparing the technologies of 1929, which were radio, automobiles, electricity, industrial. It was the industrial boom, right? And today we have AI, humanoid robots, automation, crypto, data centers, Nvidia, OpenAI, and every generation thinks their technology changes the rules forever. Well, back then, they made it easy for ordinary people to jump into the stock market. Today, we've got Robinhood, meme coins, crypto apps, AI startups investing. Everybody suddenly thinks that they're a trader. And that's usually when things start getting dangerous. Because when you get in 1929, what the big problem was margin training, borrowed money, speculation. And today we have credit card debt going through the damn roof. Everybody's leveraged through their ears. There's a national debt, that's massive. Venture capital is burning billions right now with AI and these new technologies. Buy now, pay later is huge. I mean, a lot debt creates artificial growth until reality finally catches up. And I think personally that one of the main factors to this is going to be that when AI hits the market really hard, and I'm not a doom and gloom, I love AI. I love technology. before I get into this, why don't we watch this next clip with AI real quick?
The AI boom is reshuffling the global equity market rankings, with Taiwan and South Korea leapfrogging past long-established markets in Europe and North America. Taiwan has climbed past Canada to become the world's sixth largest equity market, while South Korea has moved into 8th place, ahead of the United Kingdom.
All this happened within the span of just a few months, because last December, they were in the 9th and 11th places respectively. Now, such a shift is not unprecedented, but what is unusual is the speed at which these two have been climbing.
But this reordering isn't necessarily being driven by broad economic growth. Instead, it's about three companies at the heart of the AI hardware supply chain. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC, the world's largest contract chip maker, and South Korea's two dominant memory makers, Samsung Electronics and SK Hynix.
It's the AI theme which is driving things. So we have this kind of perfect positive storm of industry fundamentals which are resulting in very, very rapid profit growth, which are therefore powering the stocks.
So what does this reshuffle tell us about how AI is changing global stock markets? And what are the risks?
Now, I'm not saying AI isn't real. AI is real. But so were automobiles in the 1929s. The question is, are valuations becoming disconnected from reality? I mean, we're now talking about human psychology, right? This is where what people miss. In 1929, it wasn't just technology crash. It was the human technology colliding with new technology. Sound familiar? And honestly, that's exactly what we're seeing again, right? In 1929, everyone was giving stock tips, you know? Public was frenzied. They were like, you're going to be rich. You're going to be rich. Social pressures. And today, TikTok finance is, and I hate to say it, but this is going to be on TikTok too. AI influencers, crypto gurus, everybody is trying to get rich overnight. And that doesn't happen. Bubbles spread socially before they collapse financially. And what happens if AI replaces millions of jobs? Y'all need to think about this. What happens if the economy slows while AI spending explodes? What happens if the market is being driven more by hype than fundamentals? That's happening. The biggest difference, and then you have those, I don't know how many of y'all are watching the markets that are seeing this, but basically, and you don't have to be in the market. This is basically economics 101. If that market crashes, that means that the unemployment rate's going to skyrocket. It happens. If you follow history and you know what the 100-year cycles are. So 1929, and right now it's 2026. The market's going nuts. The highest we've ever seen it, right? But like I've been saying, AI is about to change a hell of a lot of things, and it's about to change it soon. And right now it is almost June. It's May. Almost June. And we not only have... Well, let me compare some things real quick. In 1929, the humans drove the markets. Today, algorithms and AI systems influence trading, investing, information, attention, and markets. Okay? Here's the key line to all this. This may be the first major financial bubble accelerated by artificial intelligence itself. I mean, seriously. We don't have people telling us. We got all this social media and everything around us telling us what we should invest in. And, it's just like, and everybody remembers what was it that GameStop. You know, GameStop was a big thing with Robinhood, right? Because you could buy partial shares and everything else. What you need is a contingency plan, and make sure that you're not all in one thing, high risk, because I'd hate to see you lose your ass on this. I'm not saying tomorrow is another 1929, but what I am saying is when you study history, you start seeing the same emotional patterns repeat over and over again. And right now, the AI boom is very, very familiar. I mean, if you guys want more breakdown like this, where we review major clips, current events, AI technology, economics, and the future of society, you know, subscribe to Loopwired Daily, because the future is moving so fast and most people still have no idea what's coming. I mean, ask me questions in the comments. I'll do research. I love doing research on things. I love telling people that anything that'll help a person. I don't mind telling people stuff. That was your quick clip today. We'll see what tomorrow has to bring. I hope everybody has a blessed evening, and good night.
You pushed me down, thought I'd stay on the ground, counting me out like the numbers didn't matter. But pressure builds diamonds in the dark, and I've been sharpening my edge in the chatter. Every scar turned into strategy, every setback fueled my clarity. I took the hits, learned the game, turned my losses into flame. Now I'm coming back strong, and you'll remember my name. I'm rising through the fire, breaking every wall you built around me. Heart's a battle drum, beating louder, a force you'll never drown. See, this is my return, my moment, my power. I'm rising, yeah, I'm rising.
Did you hear LeRoy is about to sue a lot of people?